In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a multi-section website in card.co. By the end, you'll have a clean, scrollable site with clear sections like home, about, and contact, all organized and ready to publish. Start by creating a new site in Card or opening an existing one you'd like to expand. If you're starting fresh, pick a template that matches your style and layout needs. Templates with a stacked, scrollable layout work especially well for multi-section designs, but you can adapt almost any template. Once your canvas is open, give the project a quick save so you can return to it easily. Next, add your sections. Click the plus icon and choose section to create your first section. This might be your home area with a headline and a short introduction. Repeat this process for each part of your site, about services, portfolio, contact, or anything else you need. As you add them, name each section clearly. Short, descriptive names keep your site organized and make navigation intuitive. Now add content to each section. Insert text for your headings and paragraphs, images to showcase your work, buttons to guide visitors, and forms if you want people to get in touch. You can also embed media like videos or maps. To keep your site easy to scan, make each section visually distinct. Consider alternating background colors or images, adding generous spacing, and varying the layout slightly from section to section. Consistent fonts and accent colors help tie the whole design together, while small visual differences help visitors understand where one section ends and the next begins. Preview on mobile as you go to make sure everything stacks cleanly. With sections and content in place, set up navigation by renaming each section to match the labels you want to appear in your site's navigation. Card uses these names for section anchors and, depending on the template, can generate a simple menu or allow you to link buttons directly to those sections. Keep labels concise and in the same order they appear on the page so visitors can jump exactly where they need to go. When everything looks good, it's time to publish. Click Publish, choose a site URL for your card subdomain or connect a custom domain if that's available on your plan, review visibility options and confirm. Your multi-section website is now live and you can update and republish anytime. Save your work, preview once more and you're all set.